Good morning. I'm on my way to go feed my goats and thought I would do a little video. And you can see all my cats that like to follow me every day. This is Silver Bear. He's just a cool big old cat. There's the mama. Oh wait, you gonna pose? Say hi, Silver Bear. There's the mama. That's Misty May. She's the one that had them all. And there's Fluffy. There's Boots and Oreo. And they will follow me everywhere. They'll go for a walk. And there's my babies. There's my babies. They got a bigger goat area and it's kind of looking kind of scary, but they love this bigger area. We got to get some structures for them now. Say hi, Mr. Pickles. Hi, baby. Hey, Miss Kizzy. Hi, sweet little girl. Yeah, and that's Mr. Pickles. Oh, yeah. Let's go get some food. Let's go get some food. You gonna dance for me? You gonna dance, Mr. Pickles? I like the way that you hoppity hop. Hey, Mr. Pickles. You gonna hoppity hop? And that's our rooster. He's a mean guy, so he got kicked out of the hens. And I'll show you sometime why, because he was plucking all their feathers out of their backs and being a stinker. So he's a mean rooster. He don't like me. He don't like me in my boots. He comes after me. Anyways, so there's some of it. This is our back area. My garden's over here. It starts from by that bush and goes all the way down to there, but it's I didn't do a fall garden. And then we got our chicken coop is up there, so I'll show you that in a minute. Hey ladies, this is their little coop area. We have a big little red barn that's just for them, and we have 6 lovely ladies. And you can see some of them don't have feathers. Thank you, rooster. And there is Miss Mika. Say hi, Mika. Say hi, Mika. And now again is Misty May, the mama cat. She has a baby. I'll have to show you guys. But here's my ladies. Hi, girls. Hi. Hi, baby girls. You coming looking for some food? Yeah. And if you're wondering about the bottles, they're filled with water and they're put in spots because we have a dog that likes to dig. And it was just I guess a cheap way to deal with it. The downfall though is it looks like there's a busted one in there that needs to be cleaned up. And I don't know why it hasn't yet. That's my outside puppy dog. He's a big boy. He's Mr. Baruch. But when I go down to the goats, he has to stay in there and he gets his breakfast, because if I don't, he will try and get into the goat pen and wreck the fence. And then he'll chase the goats. So he's still a puppy. Look at that cute little Mac. Hey, Mac. Hey, buddy. What you doing? What you doing, Mac? Hi. Hey, little guy. Not quite there yet, huh? Not quite there yet. Your mama eating? You gonna come say hi? Hey, Mac. Hey, baby. Where you going? Where you going, Mac? You're a cutie pie. Hi, buddy. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and you can also share. Have a great day.